Yeah.
Productions on the track.
I took a step back from the pier, Holy Spirit said don't do it, put the pills down. I've been living for a minute, couple years now. Now I'm focused on a mission for the kingdom. Yeah, it's time to finally take everything that was stolen. The devil, he must replace it. He sent me up on this mission. His kingdom about to be shaken. Cold front to hell, I'm about to be ice skating now. Watch, I give it all to the king. This other stuff that come along don't mean a thing. We in the ring, me and Lou, we about to swing. And I've been trained by the best, he won't hang now. Watch, my clock go tick-tock. My lamp is on full, my faith is overstocked. My pride is pulled down, on guard, I'm on watch. Pit bull for Jesus, no demon, I won't stop. Watch. Even though it's not so great, and the things seem to go your way, though you must have faith. Just have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. In and out of hard times, you must still know you're gonna be fine if you just have faith. If you just have faith, trust God, watch, He gon' make a way. If you just have faith, even though it's not so great, and the things seem to go your way, though you must have faith. Just have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. In and out of hard times, you must still know you're gonna be fine if you just have faith. If you just have faith, trust God, watch, He gon' make a way. If you just have faith, you gotta have faith no matter what comes your way. Don't worry about what you gon' eat, know where you're gonna stay. Matthew 6:33 tell us it's gonna fall in place, but we must seek His face until the day He make a way. Through the storms and the tribulations, you can't be shaken. Like a plane, even through turbulence, you're gonna make it. Make it to your destination, cause it's God's will. To hear His voice and know His plan, you have to be still. Give your problems to God, cause He can solve them all. Trying to make it on your own, it would not work at all. In the palm of His hands, He will not let you fall. Jeremiah 33, and He'll hear your call. He will not let you down, He will not let you frown. Cause those who wait on the Lord, He will renew you now. And you are not alone, cause God is on your side. He has good plans for your life, sit back and enjoy the ride. Even though it's not so great, and the things seem to go your way, though you must have faith. Just have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. In and out of hard times, you must still know you're gonna be fine if you just have faith. If you just have faith, trust God, watch, He gon' make a way. If you just have faith, even though it's not so great, and the things seem to go your way, though you must have faith. Just have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. Yeah, you must have faith. In and out of hard times, you must still know you're gonna be fine if you just have faith. If you just have faith, trust God, watch, He gon' make a way. If you just have faith, yeah, trust God. If you just trust Him at His word. Trust God, watch God do the impossible in your life. If you just have faith. The Bible said if you have faith the size of a mustard seed, that you can move mountains. Just